The UEFA Euro 2024 quarterfinals are set, and we have a bunch of blockbuster games coming up. One side of the quarterfinal draw is stacked with reputed heavyweights, while a couple of underdogs have also slipped into the top 8 and could yet go much further. The 5 hot favourites ahead of the Euro 2024 are France, England, Portugal, Spain and host Germany, and are still in the race for the glory. The Netherlands made it through after a convincing round of 16 victory, while Switzerland and Turkey should not be counted out based on their form. The first quarterfinal game on 5th July is arguably the game of the tournament. Germany and Spain have been arguably the best teams in Euro 2024 and the 2 highest scoring nations, but one journey will end here. The second quarterfinal match between Portugal versus France may have something else to say. The 2 nations have played out an thrilling 2-2 draw in the Euro 2020, but have underwhelmed so far with their brand of football. Cristiano Ronaldo and Kylian Mbappe are yet to take the tournament by storm. Switzerland are proving to be giant killers this Euro. After nearly beating Germany, they dispatched defending champions Italy with ease in the round of 16. Now they face England, who have had to rely on Jude Bellingham's heroics amid some unconvincing displays. Finally, Netherlands face Turkey in the last bout of the quarters. Turkey dumped out a strong Austria, while Netherlands won 3-0 against Romania. The Euro 2024 quarterfinals draw is such: Spain vs Germany, Friday, July 5th at 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Portugal vs France on Saturday, 6th July at 12:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. England vs Switzerland on Saturday, 6th July at 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and Netherlands vs Turkey on Sunday, 7th July at 12:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. The winner of Spain vs Germany will face the winner of Portugal vs Spain in the semis, while the winner of England vs Switzerland faces the winner of Netherlands vs Turkey.